So we have to go ahead with the steps of DNA fingerprinting. When we say the steps of DNA fingerprinting, then we have to select the DNA molecule. So suppose this is the DNA molecule which need to be sequenced, and we have to carry out the DNA fingerprinting steps of this DNA molecule. So in the step 1, what we have to do, we have to cleave this DNA with the restriction endonuclease. RE, I'm writing right RE. So with this DNA will be cleaved into the fragments, and these fragments are called as DNA fragments. And finally we have to heat these DNA fragments, or we can treat them, or we can treat them with certain alkali like NaCl, NaOH, and then these fragments will become single stranded. So we ought to take the single stranded DNA fragment, single stranded DNA. Then the single stranded DNA now is gel electrophorized. It is transferred to the gel electrophoresis so that it can be separated. So when it is subjected to gel electrophoresis, say for example this is the gel electrophoresis tray, and it is having some gel. So there is a well, we put these DNA fragments in the well. It is connected to the minus terminal, and here it is connected to the plus terminal, and these minus and plus are connected with a switch. Alright, so when these DNA fragments are uh, subjected to the well, and then we take this gel, and then in this gel there is polyacrylamide or agarose gel. We call it as polyacrylamide or agarose gel. Then these DNA fragments are separated according to their size. These DNA fragments will be separated according to their size. The smallest DNA molecule will move furthest. So like this we separate the DNA molecule, and further on we have to go for southern blotting. southern blotting हम लोग कराते हैं, and southern blotting is a technique of transferring of DNA from one medium to another medium. So we have this tray here like this, and on this tray, so this is the gel which we have taken, but over the gel the fragments of the DNA are being separated according to their size. Then we put a nitrocellulose membrane over the gel, and then we make use of many blotting papers. Then many blotting papers are there, and obviously we have to use certain weight. And this whole technique, which can be arranged in different ways, but the basic concept is to apply the filter paper along with the weight here. So let me label all these things. So this is the weight box. These are the blotting papers. Blotting papers. Now these are nitrocellulose paper. And this is the DNA molecule. and this is the gel, agarose gel, and this is the tray. So when the weight is applied on the filter paper, then the fluid which is present in the gel will rise up, and so these DNA bands will rise up and will stick onto the lower side of the nitrocellulose paper. All right. So then finally we separate out this nitrocellulose paper, and then we find the DNA fragments on the nitrocellulose paper. So obviously the DNA bands will be there on the nitrocellulose paper according to their size which has been there. So then what do? We develop radioactive probes of known nucleotide sequence. Maybe this is T or C, this is G, T, whatever it is. So these are the radioactive probes we develop outside. Radioactive probes, and we release these radioactive probes on the nitrocellulose paper, and these radioactive probes will go and bind according to the base pairing rules with the DNA. And because we know the nucleotide sequence of the probe, so also we know the nucleotide sequence of this DNA also. So by analyzing the bands by autoradiography, bands are analyzed by autoradiography technique, and the DNA is sequenced. This DNA is sequenced. Say for example, if this band is having A here, obviously we will write T here. If this DNA is having G band here, then this obviously G के सामने क्या आना चाहिए? C. So like this, we read all the sequences, and then one by one we make use of these straight bands to form the first strand of DNA, T, G, and so on. Then we develop the second rule, the DNA sequenced. DNA sequenced. And after sequencing, we can find out the SNPs and the VNTRs I already told you. So the steps of the DNA fingerprint includes the selection of the parent DNA molecule, target DNA. The second step involves the restriction cutting of these fragments, and the third step is making these stranded single stranded, and then fourth step is the separation of the DNA in gel electrophoresis. The gel electrophoresis can be age or page depending upon the requirement. If it is age, then agarose gel is used in the tray, and if it is page, then polyacrylamide gel is used in the tray. Finally, we make use of the tray, and then we make use of the gel. We have the separated DNA, we apply nitrocellulose paper, then we place the blotting papers, and then the weight is applied. Okay, so then the water of the gel will rise up in the blotting papers, and then this technique of transferring the DNA molecules or biomolecules like DNA, RNA, and protein from one medium to another medium, that is from the gel to the nitrocellulose paper, we are transferring it. This is called as Southern blotting, and on the name of the discoverer, that is SW Southern. So we have the nitrocellulose paper here. So this is the nitrocellulose paper, and on this nitrocellulose paper, these blue one are the DNA which need to be sequenced. These are the DNA molecules. So we developed radioactive probes of known sequence, known nucleotides sequence, and these probes are released on the DNA bands. Then these probes will release radioactive radiations, and then these radiations are taken on autoradiography paper screen, and the technique is called as autoradiography. By analyzing the bands, we can analyze the DNA nucleotide sequence of the DNA which is present here. Say for example, if this band is of A, then it will release certain radiations, it will fall on the screen. So A will obviously go and base pair with T. So we can identify this DNA molecule is the T. Another example is G. If we have taken a G band here, then the G will release radioactive radiations. It will fall on the screen, and then we can analyze the G के सामने हमेशा क्या आता है C. So this is C. तो पहला सबसे आगे जो बैंड आया वो है T, तो यहाँ पर लिखेंगे T क्योंकि T के सामने A होगा. It will be G. Oh sorry, it will be C. It will be C. यहाँ पर भी हम C लिख देते हैं. And so on. We can sequence all the whole DNA molecule over here. And this is all up for the DNA fingerprinting. And what do we analyze by DNA fingerprinting? DNA fingerprinting, we analyze the single nucleotide polymorphism as well as VNTRs. So I hope you have understood the concept.